Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to a flawless skincare routine. I know that skincare can be confusing and overwhelming, especially with so many products and steps out there. But don't worry, I'm here to help you. I'm going to show you how to take care of your skin step by step and what products to use for each step. I'm also going to share with you some of my personal tips and tricks that have helped me achieve clear and healthy skin. So, if you want to learn how to get flawless skin, keep on watching. Before we start, I want to remind you that everyone's skin is different, and what works for me may not work for you. So, always do a patch test before trying any new product, and consult a dermatologist if you have any skin concerns or allergies. Also, remember that skincare is not only about products, but also about lifestyle. So, make sure to drink enough water, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and avoid stress as much as possible. These are some of the best things you can do for your skin and your overall health. Now, let's get into the skincare routine. The first step is to cleanse your skin. Cleansing is very important because it removes dirt, oil, makeup, and bacteria from your skin. It also prepares your skin for the next steps of your routine. You should cleanse your skin twice a day, in the morning and at night. To cleanse your skin, you need a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. For example, if you have dry skin, you should use a creamy or hydrating cleanser. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you should use a foaming or gel cleanser. If you have sensitive or normal skin, you should use a mild or pH-balanced cleanser. Some of the cleansers that I recommend are CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser, La Roche-Posay Toleriane Purifying Foaming Cleanser, Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. To cleanse your skin, wet your face with lukewarm water and apply a small amount of cleanser to your hands. Massage the cleanser gently onto your face in circular motions, avoiding the eye area. Rinse off the cleanser with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Do not rub or tug your skin, as this can cause irritation and damage. The second step is to tone your skin. Toning is optional, but it can be beneficial for your skin. Toning helps to balance the pH of your skin, remove any residue left by the cleanser, and prepare your skin for the next steps of your routine. You should tone your skin after cleansing, in the morning and at night. To tone your skin, you need a gentle toner that suits your skin type. For example, if you have dry skin, you should use a hydrating or soothing toner. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you should use a clarifying or exfoliating toner. If you have sensitive or normal skin, you should use a mild or calming toner. Some of the toners that I recommend are Thayer's Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner, Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner, Pixie Glow Tonic, The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution, Paula's Choice Skin Balancing Pore Reducing Toner. To tone your skin, apply a small amount of toner to a cotton pad or your hands. Gently swipe the toner over your face, avoiding the eye area. Do not rinse off the toner and let it absorb into your skin. The third step is to treat your skin. Treating is optional, but it can be very helpful for your skin. Treating helps to target specific skin concerns, such as acne, wrinkles, dark spots, or redness. You should treat your skin after toning, in the morning and at night. To treat your skin, you need a serum or an essence that suits your skin type and concern. For example, if you have dry skin, you should use a hydrating or moisturizing serum. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you should use a purifying or anti-inflammatory serum. If you have sensitive or normal skin, you should use a soothing or brightening serum. Some of the serums that I recommend are The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid to % plus B5, Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, The Inky List Niacinamide, The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1, Klairs Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop. To treat your skin, apply a few drops of serum or essence to your hands. Gently pat the serum or essence onto your face, avoiding the eye area. Do not rub or tug your skin, as this can cause irritation and damage. The fourth step is to moisturize your skin. Moisturizing is very important because it helps to lock in the moisture and nutrients from the previous steps. It also helps to protect your skin from external factors, such as pollution, sun, and wind. You should moisturize your skin after treating, in the morning and at night. To moisturize your skin, you need a moisturizer that suits your skin type. For example, if you have dry skin, you should use a rich or creamy moisturizer. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you should use a light or gel moisturizer. If you have sensitive or normal skin, you should use a gentle or lotion moisturizer. Some of the moisturizers that I recommend are CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizer, Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, Cosrx Oil-Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion. To moisturize your skin, apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer to your hands. Gently spread the moisturizer over your face, avoiding the eye area. Do not rub or tug your skin, as this can cause irritation and damage. The fifth and final step is to protect your skin. Protecting is very important because it helps to prevent sun damage, which can cause premature aging, wrinkles, dark spots, and skin cancer. You should protect your skin after moisturizing, in the morning only. To protect your skin, you need a sunscreen that suits your skin type and has at least SPF 30. For example, if you have dry skin, you should use a moisturizing or creamy sunscreen. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you should use a mattifying or gel sunscreen. If you have sensitive or normal skin, you should use a gentle or mineral sunscreen. Some of the sunscreens that I recommend are Eltam's UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46, Neutrogena Clear Face Liquid Lotion Sunscreen SPF 55, La Roche-Posay Anthelius Mineral Ultra Light Sunscreen Fluid SPF 50, Cetaphil Pro Oil Absorbing Moisturizer SPF 30, Cosrx LO Soothing Sun Cream SPF 50. To protect your skin, apply a dime-sized amount of sunscreen to your hands. Gently spread the sunscreen over your face, avoiding the eye area. Do not rub or tug your skin, as this can cause irritation and damage. And that's it. That's the ultimate guide to a flawless skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments what are your favorite skincare products and steps. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. For this video, you can use stock images from sites like Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, Shutterstock. You can also use your own images or videos, as long as you don't show your face. Just make sure to have good lighting and sound quality, and to edit your video well. Good luck with your channel.